In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and use Nordvpn Meshnet. This feature is perfect for those looking to connect multiple devices securely and smoothly. Whether you're working from home, sharing files, or just exploring the benefits of a virtual private network, Meshnet offers an easy and secure solution. To get started, you'll first need to open up your Nordvpn app. If you haven't already installed it, go ahead and download it from the App Store on your device, and make sure you're logged into your Nord account. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to a suite of powerful tools at your disposal. Now, direct your attention to the app's navigation menu. Here, you'll find various options, but what we're interested in today is Meshnet. Look for the Devices tab, which will guide you towards the Meshnet settings. Clicking on this will take you to a screen detailed with all the devices currently associated with your account. This tab's strategic location within the app ensures you can manage your network devices effectively. Remember, having a clear understanding of your connected devices is crucial for maintaining a secure network. With that in mind, let's delve deeper. Once you're in the Device tab, the next step is to locate the Meshnet option prominently displayed within this menu. Clicking on Meshnet will open up a new interface. This area is specifically designed to guide you through the process of linking devices, and it's where you can control and customize your connections. This feature is particularly useful if you're sharing important files, gaming with friends, or simply working across multiple devices seamlessly. As you explore Meshnet, you'll see the Link Devices option. Clicking this will open a list of available devices that you can connect to your Meshnet. Simply select the devices you wish to link, and they'll soon be part of your secure network. This flexibility allows you to switch between devices with ease, enhancing the collaborative potential of your workspace or personal network. Moreover, keeping track of linked devices ensures optimal performance and security throughout your network. While connecting different devices, remember that maintaining security doesn't end here. Regularly review and update your connections for any changes. This proactive management helps to prevent any security breaches and ensures that your network remains robust and effective. With these steps, you're all set to enjoy the benefits of Nordvpn's Meshnet, whether that's improved workflow productivity, a seamless gaming experience, or secure file sharing across devices. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has helped deepen your understanding and ease your navigation through Nordvpn's features. Stay secure, and I'll see you in the next video.